Welcome to Ride Alongside. Today is 60-second bike tips, episode number 7. We're talking about the 20-minute rule. All right, so what's the 20-minute rule? Well, 20 minutes is when you should be taking a drink from your water bottle. Hydration is required for cycling, about 15 to 25 ounces of water each hour. In order to do that, you need to take a good sized drink from these bottles every 20 minutes. It's really important in the hot part of the year like we're in right now. If it's 70 degrees or warmer or 70% humidity or higher, you should be using electrolytes both before your exercise and every hour that you're riding on the bike. I like Endurolights powder, but there are also GU Roctane. There's also a variety of different salt pills that you can take. So why is the 20-minute rule important? Well, you can't absorb all of this water all at once. So you need to be thinking about 20 minutes ahead of time when you're going to start drinking your water. So try to take a drink every 20 minutes and you'll stay hydrated. All right, so I'm Nick from Ride Alongside. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll have more content for you real soon.